What's up? What's up? What's up, y'all? All right, so today we're going to talk about how many pairs should you trade. So we're going to break it down into the type of trader you are, mixed with how much time you have, and your experience mixed with your tendencies and behavior. So the ones everybody know, the type of trader, whether it be scalper, day trader, swing trader. So if you're a scalper, that means you got a lot of time. That means you have a lot of time to be able to charge for hours straight. And with that being said, you're going to be in and out of trades within minutes. So you need to focus on one pair. You need to marry that pair. You need to become one with that pair. Like, that pair is your baby. You know what I'm saying? Like, get on one knee, propose to that pair, because it's not going anywhere. It's going to be in your face, and it needs to be in your face 24/7. You need to know when that pair move, what session, how it moved, what pattern to present before it moves, what news affects it, and news makes it shoot up, what news it can just chill out on. You need to know that pair in and out, you know? All right, so go to the day trader. If you're a day trader, you don't have as much time to be on a chart as a scalper, so you need to focus on 2 to 3 pairs, because you're not going to be on lower time frames. You're going to be in mid-range time frames, and you need to focus on 2 to 3 pairs. You know, same thing though. You need to study those pairs. You need to know when it moved, what session, what news to fix it. 2 to 3 pairs, day trader. So scalper. So scalper, you need to, not scalper, swing trader, sorry. So swing trader, you need to focus on 3 to 5, maybe even more. Maybe even more, only because with swing trading, you're going to be looking at higher time frames, and it might take you a week or a few weeks or a few days for your trades to set up. So a majority of your time is going to be spent sitting on your hands, you know? And if you're on these funded accounts, you're going to be wanting and probably needing to get into trades. So it'll be best to be looking at 3 to 5 pairs so you can, you know, get into trades, and you won't, you know, create FOMO to start taking random trades. So 3 to 5 pairs if you're swing trading, because you're going to be sitting on your hands for a majority of the time. And also, once you're in that trade, it can take weeks sometimes for the trade to fully play out, you know? So now let's go over to experience mixed with tendencies and behavior. So if you're a new trader, I suggest all new traders start off by trading one pair. Focus on one pair. Learn that pair, you know? Use that pair to develop your strategy, to figure out who you are as a trader. You know, use that one pair to help you develop patience. But just because you're trading one pair does not mean you should scalp. No new trader should scalp. Do not start scalping as a new trader. You're just going to kill your confidence, blow up your accounts, have you all over the place. You're going to be jumping strategy to strategy. That's not good. So a new trader should focus on one pair, and probably day trade or swing trade. I know I just said that swing trading, you know, you're going to sit on your hands a lot, but as a new trader, one thing that you have to develop is patience. You have to learn how to sit on your hands. The quicker you learn how to sit on your hands, the quicker you will be able to see the bigger picture and become profitable. The quicker you learn how to sit on your hands, the quicker your risk management status will go up. The quicker you will learn how to properly have risk management. So once you know, get a strategy down pat, you become some form of consistency, then you can add on another pair to your watch list. But as soon as you find yourself starting to revenge trade, or if you are a trader right now who are revenge trading, then you need to move down to one pair. No matter how many pairs you're trading, move down to one pair. If you're already trading one pair and you're still revenge trading, then you need to move to a higher time frame. All right, so that's where we're at right now. Appreciate y'all. Stay wealthy, become wealthy, stay positive. We all going to run it up. Be easy.